Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Today, let us study about weights. We see two boys over here. One boy on the left is holding a balloon, whereas the boy on the right has a cricket ball in his hand. The question is, which object is heavier and which is light? The ball is obviously heavier. If we throw both the balloon and the ball in air, the ball will come back down immediately. The balloon, however, will fly. So, ball is heavy, whereas the balloon is light. How do we understand that? We understand that when we lift an object, we feel it either heavy or light to lift. This is what we call as weight of the object. Correct? So, you have understood the concept of weight. Heavy, more weight, light, less weight. The heavier the object, which means it has more weight, the lighter the object, it has less weight. Heavy object comes back down on the earth immediately. Lighter objects can go above or fly in the air easily. Correct? Let's see some more examples. Let us now see comparison of weights. Here you can see a bigger stone and smaller stone. The bigger stone goes down. In the next example of pineapple and a cherry, the pineapple goes down, heavier weight. In the next example of a pumpkin and a brinjal, pumpkin is heavier, brinjal is lighter, right?
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.